Most people over 50 assume YouTube success belongs to younger creators, people who grew up with technology, people who understand editing software, people who are comfortable on camera, people who seem born for social media. So they tell themselves a familiar story. I'm too late. I'm not technical enough. I wouldn't know where to start. And perhaps the biggest one of all, I don't want to put my face on the internet. But what if every one of those concerns was based on a misunderstanding? What if building a YouTube channel today looked completely different from what most people imagine? And what if your age, your experience, and even your lack of technical knowledge were not disadvantages at all? In fact, what if they were strengths? Because right now, thousands of people over 50 are quietly building faceless YouTube channels without expensive equipment, without professional editing skills, and without ever appearing on camera. The surprising part is that many younger creators are making the process far harder than it needs to be. And once you understand why, you'll see that starting a faceless channel may be much simpler than you've been led to believe. But before we get to that, there's one misconception that stops most beginners before they ever upload their first video. The biggest myth about YouTube. Most people believe YouTube rewards technical skill. That's the myth. They imagine successful creators sitting behind complicated software, mastering endless settings and learning advanced editing techniques. But that's not what viewers care about. Think about the last video you watched all the way through. Did you stay because the editing was perfect? Or did you stay because the content was useful, interesting, entertaining, or helpful? The truth is that YouTube rewards value far more than technical ability. Hi, my name is Bob, and this channel is built for one specific purpose: to help people over 50 build faceless YouTube channels using AI tools to create real income without overwhelm. Because let's be honest, most people at this stage of life are not looking for a hobby. They're looking for a real retirement income strategy, a way to make money online over 50, something sustainable, not exhausting. And that's exactly where YouTube automation fits. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. With AI, we can help you to cut the hours you use in your video creation time by a factor of 4 and turn simple content into consistent income. See links near the top of our video comments below to learn how. Thousands of channels are generating income every month without ever showing a face, revealing their identity, or becoming internet celebrities. In fact, this video uses the vidIQ to produce the thumbnails from an original image of me, de-aged 10 years and re-aged 10 years using Nano Banana, a very economical image program of Google's. I use HeyGen to convert the narrative created by TubeMagic or ChatGPT into a video using the enhanced, better-looking image of me used in the thumbnail. These products are listed in the video description below. Many people assume YouTube success belongs to the young. The reality is often the opposite. Life experience creates authority. Authority builds trust. Trust attracts subscribers. And subscribers become the foundation of a successful channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact framework that can help an over 50 creator reach 10,000 subscribers within 6 months. Not through luck, not through going viral, and not by working 80 hours a week, but by focusing on the activities that actually move the subscriber needle. And make sure you stay with me, because one of the biggest growth accelerators is something most creators completely ignore, yet it can dramatically shorten the time needed to build an audience. Let's get back into the show. We were saying, the truth is that YouTube rewards value far more than technical ability. Viewers don't usually ask, how skilled is this creator at editing? They ask, did this video help me? That single shift in thinking changes everything. because usefulness is something many people over 50 already possess. Years of experience, lessons learned, problems solved, mistakes overcome, insights gained through decades of living. Those things have value, and value creates content. Which leads to an important question. If useful knowledge matters more than technical skill, why do so many people still feel intimidated by YouTube? It's usually not the technology. Most people assume they're afraid of the technology, but that's rarely the real issue. Technology can be learned. The deeper concern is usually judgment. People worry about looking foolish. They worry about making mistakes. They worry about what family, friends, or former colleagues might think. They worry about putting themselves out there and failing publicly. That's why the idea of a faceless channel has become so powerful, because it removes one of the biggest emotional barriers. You don't need to stand in front of a camera. You don't need perfect lighting. You don't need a professional studio. You don't need to become an entertainer. You simply need a way to communicate ideas. And there are more ways to do that today than ever before. Which brings us to something many beginners find surprising: what a faceless channel actually looks like. When people hear the term faceless channel, they often imagine complicated systems run by technology experts. The reality is usually much simpler. Many successful faceless channels use straightforward formats. Some rely on voiceovers. Some use slides and visuals. Some use stock footage. Some use AI-assisted workflows. Some combine all of these approaches. Notice what's missing from that list. No acting, no professional filming, no expensive camera setups, no need to become a television presenter. The barrier to entry is dramatically lower than most people imagine, which creates another question. If starting is easier than people think, why do so many channels still fail? The mistake that stops most channels. Many beginners focus on the wrong thing. They spend weeks worrying about software. They compare microphones. They research cameras. They watch tutorial after tutorial. Yet they never create a single video because they believe the tool is the answer. It isn't. The real question is much simpler. Who are you helping? Successful channels aren't built around equipment. They're built around solving problems. The creator who helps people understand gardening. The creator who explains retirement planning. The creator who shares life lessons. The creator who teaches a skill. The creator who answers questions. Those channels have something valuable to offer, and value attracts attention. Not because the creator owns expensive equipment, but because the audience receives something useful. This is where many people over 50 discover they already possess a hidden advantage. Why being over 50 can actually help. Younger creators often have enthusiasm. What they don't always have is experience. Experience changes how you see the world. You begin recognizing patterns. You understand consequences. You notice mistakes before they happen. You see connections that others miss. Those insights are valuable. In many cases, they're exactly what viewers are searching for. Think about everything you've learned over the years. Career lessons, financial lessons, relationship lessons, health lessons, personal growth lessons, lessons that took decades to acquire. To you, they may feel ordinary because you've lived them. To someone else, they may be incredibly valuable. That's one of the great opportunities of YouTube. It allows you to transform experience into content, and content into impact. Yet, one concern still remains for many viewers. What if nobody watches? The fear every creator faces. Every creator asks that question. Every single one. The first video feels uncertain. The 10th video feels uncertain. Even experienced creators sometimes feel uncertain. because nobody can predict exactly which videos will succeed, not consistently. The creators who eventually grow aren't the ones who start perfectly. They're the ones who keep learning. They publish, they observe, they improve, then they repeat the process again and again. What looks like overnight success is often the result of hundreds of small improvements that nobody noticed along the way. The secret isn't perfection. The secret is persistence. And persistence becomes much easier once you stop expecting immediate results. Instead, you begin focusing on progress. That's when something remarkable happens. The real transformation. Imagine where you could be a year from now. Not because one video changes everything, but because you finally started. One video becomes 5, 5 become 20, 20 become 50. The technology that once seemed intimidating becomes familiar. The process that once felt confusing becomes routine. The confidence that seemed impossible begins to grow naturally. You stop seeing yourself as a beginner. You start seeing yourself as a creator. And perhaps most importantly, you begin realizing that your knowledge has value. Because every video represents something larger. A lesson shared, a problem solved, an experience passed forward. That's what many successful faceless channels are really built upon. Not technology, not perfection, not youth. Value. Final thought. Remember the misconception we started with? The belief that YouTube success depends primarily on technical skill? Hopefully you can now see why that idea isn't entirely true. Technology can be learned. Software can be learned. Tools can be learned. But life experience takes years to acquire, and that's something you already possess. The real challenge isn't figuring out every piece of software before you begin. The real challenge is recognizing that your knowledge, your perspective, and your experiences may be far more valuable than you think. Once you understand that, starting a faceless YouTube channel over 50 no longer feels like an impossible technical challenge. It becomes what it really is. An opportunity to share what you've learned, help other people, and perhaps build something meaningful in the process. And that journey starts with a single decision: to begin. And the best time to start is still today. But before we move on, check out this new video here.